Have you been mining Memefi? If you have, it's high time we learned how to grab some gas fee. Okay, so let's take a ride. So what you need to do is you click the wallet icon in the bottom right. And then take note of the network on top there, that's linear network. So we're going to deposit Ethereum here. So what we do is we click Ethereum and then we click deposit. Then you copy the address that you're gonna see there. Okay, so once you've done that, you have to head on to OKX. Okay, so we are in OKX. What we do is we click assets in the bottom right and then ensure that whatever balance we have is on trading account. So you can check here, we have funding, trading, earn. Okay, so we have everything here. If what you have is elsewhere, you need to click transfer and then you choose the assets that you want to transfer from wherever it is to trading. Okay, so we will need to buy Ethereum. So we click trading. Okay, so as long as we have everything under trading account, what we need to do is we hit trade at the bottom there. Beautiful, so we are here. You need to choose what you want to buy. So we want to buy Ethereum, so we click on top there, we click the arrow and then we go by all. So we want to buy Ethereum. Okay, beautiful. The thing is we don't have, okay, just saying Ethereum, USDT, we need to use Solana here. Let me see. Let's sell our Solana first. So we switch to sell and then we choose what we want to sell. We want to sell Solana. Okay, so when we sell Solana, we are going to end up with USDT. Okay, beautiful. And then we need to push this circle to the far right so that we sell the maximum Solana that we have. Okay, so it's showing how much we have altogether. That's 0.041915. Then we can hit sell. Then confirm. Boom, order placed. We can actually click assets. We see that the value has actually remained the same. There's only a drop of 1. Okay, so the funds are still under trading. So we can click now trade. And then we choose what we want to buy. What we want to buy is Solana. Oh, Ethereum. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so we are not selling this time around, but we are buying Ethereum. We have USDT. So we can now go by the total amount of USDT that we have by pushing this to the far right. And then we buy Ethereum. Then we confirm. Boom. So we have managed to buy that. Okay, we can go to assets. And we check we have 7.28. So the Ethereum that we have is 0.00319338. Okay. So what if we click right here where we say if and then we swipe up. Okay, so this one is under trading. So what we'll do is we'll now shift it. We transfer it from trading to funding. So I'll click transfer. Okay, so where from are we transferring the funds, and to where are we transferring the funds? So it's coming from trading. So we click the double arrows there, and then we have trading on top and funding at the bottom. So what assets are we transferring? That is Ethereum. Okay, see here. So now we have to punch in the amount, so we can go by max, then we confirm. Okay, so transfer is successful. We can hit back. Now you can see Ethereum balance showing under funding. Okay, so we have 7.27. We have 0.031938. Okay, so since it's here, we can now hit withdraw, and then transfer crypto to a wallet exchange. Okay, so here we need now to choose what we want to transfer. We want to transfer Ethereum, right? So we need to click Ethereum. And then we click on chain. So here we have to make sure that we choose the correct network, otherwise we might lose the funds. So remember, on Memefi we went by a linear network. It was it's actually there. We didn't choose it. It's there. So we need to Ethereum linear. You've seen that one there? Cool. And then we need to paste the address that we had copied from the Memefi bot. Okay, we enter the address there. Then we have to choose the amount. We have to punch in the amount. Okay. And then we will need to submit everything at the bottom there. So let's do this and we're good to go. Okay, so once you do that, there will be this notice. Potential risk warning. Please ensure you've selected the correct withdrawal address or account. So just go ahead, check in the box and then hit continue. And then you confirm, maybe later. Okay. So here they will need you to select the method by which they can send you the code. So you go by email, then you head over to the email inbox and copy the code. So this is the code. Paste it in here. Okay, so once everything has been done, you will see this notification that request submitted. So you need to head over to the bot and check if the transaction is successful. Okay, so now we are back in Memefi. Let's now check if the balance has changed. Click wallet. And here we go. We have 0.002. It has come through, right?